For Science and Art class today, we are continuing with My Healthy Habits series, and in today's class, we are learning how to look out for germs. Let's go! Have you ever cracked an egg while cooking? What happens when you're done? You wash your hands. We should always wash our hands before and after handling raw food. This helps stop the spreading of germs. Germs make us sick. Some live on hard surfaces. Others are found in fluids or in the air. How do you avoid getting sick? Let me know down below. Germs spread fast in bathrooms. They also live in kitchens and the trash cans. Some pets spread germs too. So do wild animals. Sick people can spread germs. Germs travel when we cough and sneeze. They also pass through body fluids. What do you do when you sneeze? Don't forget to cover your mouth. However, looking out for germs isn't enough. We also have to avoid them. Washing hands is a good start. Use soap and water. Scrub for at least 20 seconds. That's 2 rounds of the Happy Birthday song. Find out how to clean different spaces. Ask how adults disinfect them. Always follow directions when handling food and do the same when caring for pets. Is someone at school sneezing a lot like him? Don't touch what they touch. Wash your hands instead. Ask your doctor for more tips for staying well. Germs are all around us. Watching out for them will give you a healthy future. What are some of your healthy habits? Let me know down below. Now it's time to go through some new words we learned in today's book. The first word is avoid, which is to keep away from. Disinfect is to clean an area or object by destroying the germs living within it. Fluids are liquids with no fixed shape. Germs are tiny organisms that often cause disease. Raw means uncooked or undercooked. And finally, surfaces is the outside or outer layer of something. Now it's your turn. What do you think about this book? Let me know down below, and also share with me some ways that you look out for germs. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.